Hello friends! Today we are talking about the Mazda 6e 2026 model year. This is a fully electric D-Class sedan or liftback that effectively replaces the classic Mazda 6 with an internal combustion engine and focuses on technology and comfort. In the Takumi version, the model is positioned as premium with an emphasis on high-quality materials and a well-thought-out interior. Under the hood is an electric motor with a power output of 195 kilowatts or 258 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque, rear-wheel drive, and a single-speed transmission. Acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour takes approximately 7.6 to 7.9 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 170 to 175 kilometers per hour. Battery options of around 69 or 80 kilowatt hours are available, with a range of up to 479 to 560 kilometers according to the WLTP cycle. Fast charging supports up to 195 kilowatts and allows charging from 30 to 80% in about 15 minutes. The Takumi version offers Nappa leather, a panoramic roof, heated and ventilated seats, a premium audio system, and a modern design with 19-inch wheels. Inside, there is a large 14.6-inch display and a digital instrument cluster, as well as the iActive Sense safety system suite. The car looks premium both outside and inside, while wheel energy consumption depends on driving style and conditions, but usually averages around 15 to 18 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Thank you for watching, and special thanks for your likes. Subscribe if you love cars. See you!